Good morning, friends. I am Mohan Kumar, retired from State Bank of India as Deputy Manager. The need of the hour for the bank retirees is pension updation. Is it necessary? Yes. We can say that during 2000, the year 2000, millennium year, when the operating system introduced by Windows was Windows 2000. After introducing several versions, the latest version of Windows is Windows 10. Whether the Windows 2000 is useful now? No. Why? It is outdated. It won't support some usable utilities. So, it is the need of the world to update. Then, in the same year 2000, one of my colleagues proudly said that he purchased a computer which was Pentium 4. Pentium 4 having the storage of hard disk storage of 40 GB. Whether it is usable now? No. Now 1 terabyte storage is common in the laptops and computers. It is why? Because of updation. And at the same time, we are using smartphones having Android versions. In 2008, the version introduced was 1.5, named Cupcake. And after introducing some versions, Lollipop, Android 5 was called as Lollipop. Then Marshmallow, Oreo, Nougat were introduced and outdated. Now the latest Android version is Android 10. Why this updation? Updation is needed. It is a worldwide phenomenon. It is inevitable. It is needed because it is usable for rendering good service first. Then it is having security patches. So the updation is very much necessary and the need of the hour. We have been in this service. During their visits, the higher officials instructed us, please be ready and update yourself regarding systems, regarding banks schemes, regarding government schemes, and regarding the customers' demands. All have been requested because to update yourself, to render service to the customer, to compete the competitors, to increase the market share. Above all, for our survival, the survival of the bank is in your hands by updating yourself. Please do the updation and give a good service. And how many programs conducted by the banks for our updation? Updating the duties. First, Parivartan. Programs like Parivartan, programs like SBI Citizen, programs like SBI Udan were conducted by the banks in order to give a beautiful service and to make the organization to survive. We have worked in the bank in so many scenarios. First, we have worked manually. Then, after introduction of the computers, we have been accustomed for the bank master and then core banking. Now, the apps are used now, and in every platform, we are updating ourselves and meticulously followed the instructions given by the banks because of the survival of our organization. Okay. Our pension is fixed at the time of our retirement. it won't be changed in future, assuming that the value of money, the price of commodities, and the inflation won't be changed in future. The wages of the employees are revised once in 5 years in order to lead their life according to the latest scenario. The pensioners are waiting patiently for the past 33 years for the updation of pension. The non-updation of pension leads to heavy disparity among pensioners. Suppose a deputy manager who retired 20 years back is getting a pension of 30% of the pension of a deputy manager who is retiring now. What a heavy disparity. We asked the bank and the government to rectify this anomaly. The pension of the pensioner is determined during the period of his retirement, during his year of retirement. Thus, now 7 types of pensioners are in the bank. Please rectify this anomaly and fix a uniform pension. Any category of official should be given a uniform pension. In short, we are demanding one rank, one pension. We are taking this opportunity to make an appeal to our chairman, who is also the chairman of IBA. Respected Chairman Sir, we are grateful to you for your having taken sincere efforts for the revision of family pension. Family pensioners were not to be taken care of for a long time. It is you only have taken the matter, and this will be helpful to the family pensioners. Now we request our good souls, please take care of the updation of pension. The updation of pension is very much necessary for the pensioners who are suffering a lot. And please recommend the government the necessity of updation, the impact of non-giving of updation, and the sufferings of the pensioners, bank pensioners who retired 20 years ago, and remove the 7 type of pension prevailing in the banking industry and make uniform pension for each cadre of the employee irrespective of their year of retirement. Now we are appealing to the EFBU leaders. Dear leaders, we are one among with you. Please, you are well aware of the need for updation of the pension. Please take a bold step by including the pension updation matter in the 11th bipartite settlement itself, for which you will be appreciated by the employees who are working now with the bank. They will sacrifice some amount for the sake of pensioners. The pension updation is very much needed. It will be helpful to the employees who will be the future retirees. Please take bold steps, sir, and enter in the history of the banking industry. Hoping for the best, sir. Thank you. Now, we are appealing to the employees who are working now in the bank, the prospective pensioners. Please, I hope that you are well aware of the sufferings suffered by the bank pensioners. Please, ready to sacrifice some hundreds of rupees now for the sake of pension updation. It will be very much helpful to you, and it will make thousands of rupees when you are getting retired, as when the money is very much needed to you. Please, it is just like a simple, that is, it is an investment. Please invest some hundreds of rupees now. It will be very much helpful to you at the time of you are receiving the pension in thousands of rupees. So the seeds are now, it will, then you can reap the fruits in future. Prospective pensioners, please assure the leaders that you won't object if the pension updation is included in the 11th bipartite settlement. Now it is the time. We are appealing to the IBA, UFU leaders and working employees. Please collectively do the very much historical decision. Take the historical decision and ever to be remembered in the banking industry. Please take the bold step. Please take the correct step. Please make the pension of the pensioners be updated. For the best. நல்லது நடக்கும்.